night school.
It gets crazy from here.
Truth or dare.
The first purge begins.
To end this evil, I need to go further than I've ever gone.
The Snowman Killer is completely insane.
First victim, Armstrong.
Regalos!
Fire everything you got!